Hi, great day everyone. I'm Hilda Sabakahan Busha. Right now, kasama natin yung student onliner natin na isa sa natulungang kumita sa ating system.
So, hi everyone. By the way, I am Coach Marian Prado, 16 years old and a grade 10 student from Infant King Academy. And thank you to Coach Hilda sa pag-guide sa akin dito. At isa na rin tayo sa kumita sa HD System of Explosion Worldwide. And good news, ito na po yung income natin as of today, worth 15,000.
Wow!
Yan. So, kaya sa lahat na makapanood ng video na to, be part and be the next.
Wow! Congratulations once again, Marian! And to all students watching right now, i-message po si Marian, i-message po kami para ikaw na po yung next na matutulungan po natin dito sa ating HD System of Explosion Worldwide. Kaya be part and be the next. See you in my inbox!